I'm gonna show you how to use Round Robin on Calendly. So to get started, you have to open calendly.com, and then from there you just have to sign into your account. And once you're in the homepage, you just have to click on event types, and then from there you just have to click on new event type and then select Round Robin. And then a pop-up will show up on the right side. Then you have to rename this one. I'm gonna rename it demo meeting. So from there, you're gonna change the duration to the ones of your likes, and then you can add also a custom duration. So from there, you'll also need, or you can add hosts. So from here, I'm gonna add more hosts or for this round robin. So you just have to click on add this one, add on this rotation host, and then from there you just have to select details or the round robin host that you wanted. And then from there you just have to click on messages, or you have to click on location. Also, you can input a location right here where you have to set the meeting. And then from there you just have to click on this one. You're gonna click on Zoom. Then the other one, you want to do it on Google Meet. And then from there you just have to go to availability hours, and then on availability hours you just have to click on arrow again. And then from there you just have, if you want to customize it, just customize it. And then after that you just have to click on create. And once you created a event right there, and then you will just share the meeting by clicking on here. Also, you need to select a date and time, and then from there you just have to press on X. And after that you just have to click on the demo meeting, and then you have to click on share. And then all you have to do is share the link to the person that you wanted to join the meeting. So that's just it. That's how to use Round Robin on Calendly.